It's a beautiful Sunday in the neighborhood, beautiful Sunday in the neighbor, won't you be mine? Just kidding. Don't be mine, be yours. I'm gonna turn this off. I've had the heater turned on for a few hours to warm the garage up because it was ice cold, but it's supposed to be in the 50s today in St. Louis, but my garage has a tendency to take on the cold, as they say. I don't know if anyone actually says that. A couple things here. So, I'm gonna do an unboxing. Oh my God, I just showed you my address. Hold on, I'm gonna have to cut that. A couple things here. I'm gonna do an unboxing and I'm gonna rip off this label so I can actually film this box. 1 second. All right, so unboxing time, ladies and gentlemen. So I know what's in here, but I'm going to have it be a surprise for you because that's the fun of unboxings. So I have been staying away from the online auction website AuctionZip because I have too much back catalog that I need to be shipping out. And I've been not resting on my laurels by any means. I've been very busy, but I have been giving myself more time to relax than I normally have in the past. I've been getting a bit burnt out. So it's important for me to take time just to chill. That being said, I bought this a few weeks ago and I'm excited to show you what it is because it's going up in my Etsy store. Oh, look, EJ's with the cursed pink packing peanuts. Always using the pink packing peanuts, guys. So I'm gonna have to set this camera down. Okay, I think that's framed pretty well. So this is how people do unboxings. Well, let me tilt it. Hold on. Let's see. Let me tilt this down a little, skosh. So you guys get a little bit better framing on here. Let's see. Let's do that. And then that means I'm gonna tighten the arm here. I don't know if it's gonna stick. Okay, that's better. All right, here's the container. And here's what I got. Boom, a bunch of blank patches. I hope that wasn't anticlimactic for you. I'm realizing now that I was nerding out on this, waiting to get, like, really excited to get these in the mail, and you're sitting at home and you're probably like, cool. But for real though, I'm super excited, and I'll tell you why. The reason why I'm excited is because there's a series of blank patches here. Oh God, that's good. If you watch my Care Bears video, you'll see the coffee I brewed in the French press. I'm drinking it right now. Maybe I'll put a link here just for fun. Sub Pop, a great Seattle record label. Signed Nirvana back in the day, and the Postal Service later. Okay, the reason why these are cool, and I'll turn it around so you don't have to look at my face while I narrate this, is because I can list one of these on Etsy, and I can just let it sit there and sell. So I'm thinking, here is this patch, this set of patches, and I'm thinking instead of selling them one at a time, that I might give them the option to buy one at a time for $1, and maybe I sell these for $1 each, but it's gonna be $3.50 to ship one of them. So if someone wants to buy more, let's say they wanna buy a dozen, that'll still be $3.50. They'll be paying $12 and $3.50 to ship. Which would be more economical for them. So I'm debating doing the listing at, $12, $24, $48, kind of wholesale, or selling them 1, 3, 6, 9, 12, or just having it be 1 through as many as they want, and they can order as many as they want. Unfortunately, it's really hard to do quantity discounts on Etsy. That's something that they're not very good at. So that's what's gonna happen for most of these patches. I got this random American flag patch, and then I've got all of these, which are if you look at, remember like motorcycle gangs, on the back of their jackets, they have these big ones on the top and on the bottom that say like what motorcycle gang they're in. These obviously aren't those, but these are really cool, unique patches that, you can put people's names in and whatnot. Just miniature versions of those. So same thing, I'll sell these and these. And I think these are pretty vintage. I don't really know a lot about badges, but I can't imagine that these are very modern. Now let's get another American flag badge here. Just having trouble getting this guy loose here. Oh, interesting. Okay, that's why. This opens up like this. Whoa. Interesting. And then it opens up all the way like this. Let me do that for camera. A better shot of this. So let's close this up. Okay, so we've got this. Opens like that. And then it opens again like that. Bazinga. So more patches. So I've got a bunch of these, you know, rectangular navy blue patches with white on the outside. And these are all sew on. Looks like none of the ones I've pulled out so far have been iron on. I've got these, gray and black. So gray and black patches. Each one of these is gonna be a separate listing on Etsy. I think even these American flag patches. And then I've got all these circular blue or white with blue and rectangular white with blue. So again, I bought this auction for about 10 bucks, paid about 20 in shipping. So $30 total. I should be easily able to make that up. I'm always on the outlook for something I can list once and sit back and have it make money over time. It's just smart passive income. So you can picture all of these patches, one listing, one listing, one listing, one listing, one listing, one listing, one listing. I'm gonna sit back and let these people buy these, and I'll put a note on the bottom saying I will take wholesale offers. I have, 20 of this kind, doopadoo, same with all of these. Need to do a bit of research to find out what kind of patches these are called, if these are called like crescent patches or something like that, and see if other people are selling them on Etsy. I'm pretty confident being able to market these as vintage, though I don't know if that adds much value. These look like they could be iron-on because they've got a glossy back, but not all of them are like that. This one is a very soft, almost felt feel to the back, so I know that this is a sew-on. You might be able to iron these on if you add your own ironing compound to the back of them, but all of them except for these circular ones seem to be iron-on patches, even these crescent-shaped ones here. So yeah, that's my unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. I wish I'd recorded all the auctions I bought 3 or 4 months ago because I was getting box after box in the mail, like weekly. And I didn't record any of it, but it was really cool stuff. So I will, maybe after this video, after this clip, I'll like do a screen grab of the Etsy site once these listings are published and photographed and created, which is gonna be a while, but maybe my beard will be longer, maybe it'll be gone, but you won't even see it because I'll be recording my screen on my computer. What am I saying? But it'd be cool to kind of walk you through the whole process of posting these patches and what that looks like. I don't think I'm gonna put them on eBay. I put some of my other vintage hobby supplies up on eBay and haven't had any hits. I've sold a bunch on Etsy, so I think that's the forum to do this on. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next clip.